During all those years that I'm doing 3D printing, I have found some tools that are very useful and some of them they're not that useful. So in this video I'm showing the tools and accessories that I love. You might know some of them, but some of them might be new. So it's definitely worth to watch this video, no matter if you're a beginner or if you're a pro. For your convenience, I have all the links to the products down in the description. And this is the first thing I would highly recommend. Flashlights are a really good solution. However, that's only if you only need one hand or if you have 3 arms. Come on. That's not gonna work. Can't see anything here. It doesn't even taste good. If you have only 2 arms like I do and you need to use them, then this is going to be your solution. This light has actually 2 lamps inside, the front one and the little one here, which is a pointy spotlight. So first the big one, as you can tell, it's super bright. I mean, you can't even look in it. Then you can do it a little bit dimmed down. And then we have the spotlight here, which it's so strong. And then you can have that one a little less strong too. This is so much better. But that's not the only thing you can use it for. You can also use it when you go camping, or if you like to work on your car, it's really gonna help you. Or if you go hiking, and many more. So I think everybody should have one of these. These are okay, but these are better. So now that we have enough light, we want to make sure that your printer is always clean. And I found this amazing thing. One thing that all 3D printers have in common is they might be a little bit messy. They usually leave some pieces of PLA everywhere. But no big deal. For that we have our handheld vacuum cleaners. However, this one is really special. One thing that is really cool on this one is you have different angles you can choose. This way you can reach your 3D printer everywhere you want. Another thing is there is an extension here where you can extend the front and reach difficult places. Another thing is really cool is there is a little brush here, and the most important thing is this vacuum sucks. I mean, it sucks kind of, like, I mean, it sucks a lot. I mean, it's really a good suction, what I wanted to say. Yes, it has a very good suction. Let me show you how great this little thing is. And even some more difficult places are easy to reach. That's what the angle is for. And it works great for extrusions too. And then once you're done, you just fold it together and put it back into the charging station. That easy. I can highly recommend this one. I use it for everything. I use it for my car, I use it for the carpets, I use it for whenever I make a mess, and it just works, and it's so strong. So now that everything is a little bit more clean, there are a few accessories that might help you with the build plate. Before you're starting to print, you have to make sure that your build plate is absolutely clean. I am using 99% IPA for this, and I find it's much easier to clean it using this spray. And the paper towel, and that just works perfect. And if you're clumsy like me, it also helps that if this falls down, it's not as big of a mess than if this falls down. After you finish your print, you have to take the print off the build plate. In order to do that in the easiest way, I found this tool works best. In this case, I still have to remove the calibration lines. It has just the perfect edge that makes the release as easy as it gets. Of course, you can take your fingernails, and it's a really nice feeling if you have the PLA underneath your fingernail. That's why I can highly recommend getting this one. And if you're using a bamboo printer with AMS and you're using cardboard spools like this one, of course you need to use the rails. And to get those rails off after the print, after the spool is empty, it's much easier with this tool. You can just go around, and there we go. This spatula comes together in a set with this one. Well, I can't really say that I'm using this one to release any prints, but what you can do with this one is it's very easy to open your filaments with this. If you're interested in any of these products, the links to the products are right in the description. And as always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.